Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is Jim. At ito na nga, post ni Genre sabi, "Congratulations Honey Bee, Barbie Fortesa and Nay Fatima Mercado on Contrabida Academy. Love you." At next naman is another post by Genre. Ito na nga, Team Barbie si Tatay Tony, si Nay Fatima, Genre, Tony Aviles, and Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next naman ay post ni Miss Tony Aviles, ayun na nga nung mini-makeupan. Inaayusan si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ayan, napaka-pretty. Ayun si Miss Jando sa likod. At ito na nga yung final product, si Miss Barbie Fortesa in her high slit gown na tube. Grabe.
Wow! Barbie!
Barbie!
Parahin mo ako, Barbie. Parahin mo ako. Ayun na. Oh no! Okay.
Ay na, napaka-cute na si Barbie. At next naman ay ang pagdating ni Jameson Blake. Ay na nga, ang gwapong-gwapong tisoy na may dimples. O, diba? Pa-cute. At ayun na nga, kaway-kaway from the veranda. The handsome Jameson Blake. At next naman,
Maraming salamat po for joining us tonight. Thank you so much for gracing this Manila Pen na ngayon lang ata.
ayun na nga, so pinagtabi nga ni Miss Gladys Reyes, si Jameson Blake at si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Kasi nung una nasa gitna nga si Miss Gladys Reyes. At next naman ay post ni Jaiho, exclusive Jameson Blake magsasalita na sa estado nila ni Barbie Fortesa. Alam na this, let's watch this.
Susundot ko na ito at i-grab ko na yung chance and opportunity to ask you. Sunod-sunod, yung mga videos, yung sa mga fun run, ganyan events, spotted ka with the Kapuso primetime princess na si Barbie Fortesa. Ano na ba talaga ang lagay? Meron bang something sa inyo? Ikaw na ba ang bagong nagpapatibok sa kanyang puso?
Okay, well, first of all, meron kaming movie together na Contrabida Academy showing tomorrow on Netflix. September 11 na yan. Yes, bukas na yan. So, ayun, dun kami nag-meet ni Barbie. And yes, nakita nyo lahat, mga videos and everything. And yes, we got closer during the shoot. And I'll just say na we're enjoying each other's company. And
At nagkasundo kayo sa mga pagtakbo, sa pagiging sporty. Kumbaga parang nagsuwak ang inyong mga hilig, ang maging physically fit and healthy. Jamie, may nag-send sa akin ng picture, parang naspatan kayo sa isang dinner. Nakita mo na ba yung photo na nagsisirculate online?
siguro nakita ko na yun. I'm not sure kung nakita ko yun. Pero yeah, probably saw it sa feed ko.
You can't hide Jameson.
Naku, si Geraldine na nagsabi. Oo, si Geraldine na nagsabi. Hindi kasi
What you see is what you get.
Okay, what you see is what you get. O sige,
ayun na, sumagot na nga si Jameson sa tanong sa kanya tungkol sa estado ng relasyon nila ni Barbie Fortesa. So, what you see is what you get. Parang sagot din ni David yan dati, di ba? Nung tinatanong about kay Kisen. So, same lang pala, no? Anyway, at next nga, i-debunk natin tong si Borda United bago tayo mag-blind item, no? So, what they see, she's with the family and friends. She's there, so GF siya. Oh, wait, where's D? Why no pic of the GF together? Why girl not spotted on Chivas? Why GF Kuno in Chivas were black, was in Burn no bangs? Why was the nameplate Melina Alcantara? Why GF Kuno in Medusa were white top gown, long hair and bangs? Why no mention of GF? Just friends? Why GF Kuno not seated with family nor seen chatting with David family? Believe din naman ako sa kapal na mukha nito si Borda United, no? Talagang i-debunk pa yung kitang-kita na yung ang dami-daming ebidensya sa Siargao pa lang. Tapos ngayon, i-debunk pa na GF na friend lang. 5 friend ni Alex ang pinapunta doon. Kanino ba friend yun? Di ba? Kay Alex lang. Tapos, well, okay, ibalik natin sa kanya yung question. So, why Barbie is not at the Thanksgiving? Why is Barbie not followed by James, Eden, Jean, and Kenzie, and all the friends of David Licauco? Why did Barbie Fortesa not watch the basketball game 3x3 of David Licauco, whereas Alex was actually there watching with the audience? Why was Alex with Kenzie if she was not David's girlfriend? Why was David Licauco dancing with Alex in Siargao? Why did David Licauco had a picture with Alex family in Siargao? Why did David Licauco follow Alex family and friends? O, diba? At saka porket sinabi ni Pikwa na secret GF na agad, gano'n ka tayo ka-sure na reliable si Pikwa, diba? Wala namang pictures or videos. So what I see with Barbie and David is they're friends only. Anyway, enough of this nonsense, diba? Wala rin namang sense kung sarado naman yung utak nung matandang yon, no? Okay, we'll go with the blind item na. So, okay, ito na nga, no, guys. So, meron si actor at saka si actress. Ito na nga nangyari. Yung management, actually, ay pinatawag yung makeup artist ni actor at saka ni actress, yung handler ni actor at saka ni actress, at saka yung manager. So, pinatawag nga sa office. At, after daw nilang mag-meeting sa office, lumabas silang lahat, nag-iiyakan daw. Grabe. Sabi daw nung isa, "Nay, mamimiss namin kayo," sabi daw. Tapos sabi naman daw nung isa, mahal na mahal namin kayo." Tapos group hug, ganun daw. Oo. So, meaning to say, parang magkakahiwalay na ng landas si actor tsaka si actress. Parang wala na talaga. No? So, yun. Hindi tayo magbibigay masyadong detalye kasi masyadong mga obvious na, di ba? Actually, bawal nga ilabas to eh. Kaya lang malakas kayo sa akin. Kahit binabash lang nila ako, di ba? Ay nako. Anyway, yun na nga yung malungkot na istorya ng ating blind item. So, nag-iyakan nga sila lahat after lumabas doon sa meeting room. At sabi nga daw nung mga nakakita doon sa office, sa labas nung office, sabi daw ng mga nakakita, "Bakit may magre-resign ba?" Sabing gano'n. Oo, grabe. Kasi sobrang iyakan daw. So yun na nga, sino si actor, actress, makeup artist, at saka yung handler? By the way, lilinawin ko lang, no? So, wala yung si actor at saka si actress dun sa meeting. Ang nandun lang yung mga makeup artist, yung mga handler, at saka yung manager. Okay? Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more about the updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!